Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we take a look at cases from Ringke for the Samsung Galaxy S21. So the first case I'm going to go ahead and bring in one at a time here, show you the cases here, the packaging that it comes in. So this is the Onyx design for the, and this is the graffiti version of the Rinky Onyx. So this is the packaging that it comes in. And I've got several cases, so we're going to go through them. This is my first time seeing the Onyx design, and this is crazy. Get some literature or whatever in here. Yeah, I've never seen this is crazy right here, but it's whatever that's saying right there, and you got a little face and then stop. But this is the design version. This is a little different in the inside than the official Onyx version. I have the regular Onyx right here, and I'll show that in just a second. But the design inside of here is a little different from some of the other Rinky Onyxes that I've seen. You get a little branding down there, cut out for the camera, and it might be specific to the device because I've only used this with I think the Note and the iPhone 12s. So you've got some faint Rinky branding right there. So it's Rinky Onyx, spot for a lanyard, camera cutout, real faint Rinky going around the camera right there. I think this is really good. You got 3 feet on here to help with the sitting it down on the table or whatever. Then you got your cutouts there for the microphones. Ports down here all line up. So let's pop it on. Let's see how we get it. Now this is just Rinky's. The Rinky Onyx right now to me is the case to buy, folks. If you're thinking about getting a case for your device and you're looking at Rinky, definitely consider the Rinky Onyx. Now this right here is like a signature version. This is the graffiti version of this case. So all the cases that Rinky offer all work with wireless charging. You guys always ask me, Jay, you need to test it with wireless charging. I'm telling you it works with wireless charging because they're plastic. Anytime you should have problems with wireless charging is when you have metal in a case, and these cases don't do that. So they don't have it, so it's just plastic. So these will work with wireless charging. So if you look here, you can see the camera is now deeply recessed inside of there. You got your spots for your microphones. Make sure your cases have these cutouts for the microphones or it's going to muffle your audio. And you got the same thing down here. That little cutout is not just there, it's there for the microphone. There's a microphone down there too. Then you got your Type-C, and I like how they did a big opening on the bottom there to make sure you can use other chargers or whatever with a bigger part on it. So, and speakers open. So now I'm going to open up the next version of this, which is the actual official Rinky Onyx for just a solid black one. Let's get it. And see, this is the same case basically, but you just get a design on the graffiti version. So I think that's pretty dope. So we'll go ahead and try this one on. I always peel from the top right there. Alright. Sorry if you hear a little bit of background noise. They decided to come stroll by as I'm recording all the time. But here's the case. Now, I mean, this is just nothing against this graffiti version, but honestly, I wouldn't wear that. That's like look at me type case, and I'm not really into that. But the good thing is you can get it without the graffiti. So this is the same case, same setup. This is the case to get, folks, if you're looking at Rinky. Now, I know I used to promote the camo version of the case. That one is still dope, but I think it is second to this case right here. So you want to see the camo? Let me go ahead and show it to you. All right, here's the camo. Again, they all come in this packaging right here. Rinky cases have been like this for a long time. And again, this Fusion X is still really nice, man. I just like the grip and feel of the Onyx, man. The Onyx has come back, and it's come back strong. So let's get this paper out of here. There's always 2 of them in here for some reason. That's how they do it. Because they can't put it on the outside, so they put 2 on the inside. It's kind of strange, but it is what it is. Let's get it out of here. Hopefully it doesn't troll me too much on video. Yay. Got these little openings. Here we go. Yeah, that's a beautiful case, man. It really is. It is a beautiful case. I tell you no lies. It's absolutely stunning. Nice snug fit. It's nice. It's a really nice case. And it looks good depending on what color you have. It really will look good. It'll shine bright on them. So yeah, basically if you have a lighter color, if you're into that, it's going to flip through and it's going to be really nice. You really get to see that camo. But even this one looks really good. It's just a lot more subtle. So, you know, I'm always bragging on the Onyx, but the Onyx just has more grip. That's really what it is. These are both rugged style cases. And this one is an even more rugged style case. But you know, they both have a nice lip. All of Rinky's cases now have like this nice lip all around the corners. Even if it doesn't have the bulging drop protection where you can see it, like it's real relevant around the edges right here, prominent around there, it still has the drop protection for the corners. So when you face it down on all of these cases, you've got a little bit of lip. You can see that. So you've got some lip. So this is the Camo X. Now let's move on to another good one. The Fusion Matte is so dope. It's a clear case that's matte. So if you're into that, if you like that, which I do, you'll love this one. Alright, so let's pop this out. I always peel from inside where the camera bulge is, just to make sure I can get it off nice and clean. And so then we'll go ahead and peel off. Satisfying, right? I'm gonna go ahead and kind of wipe the phone down and then put it in, and I'll peel this one off. I like that they've incorporated these tabs. It's pretty dope. Now there it is, man. This is the matte. That is just clean right there, man. Now this has lots of grip, even though it's clear around here. One question people ask, does it turn yellow? Doesn't turn yellow? All the clear cases that I've used pretty much turn yellow after about, my case like this on my Velvet, LG Velvet, I've had it on there for several months, and it's not that it's turning yellow, it's just starting to look a little dull around here, but they eventually will turn yellow. I mean, that's just how that's how the plastic is going to do. But again, same thing, this has that lip protection. And this feels really good. This is like a smoothed out version of the Onyx, man. I guess I could describe it. This matte, it feels so good, man. I think you'll really like this one. It is just a beautiful looking case. And remember, folks, all these cases work with wireless charging, so you won't have a problem with that. So don't worry about that. But you know, they all follow the same format. All the cutouts are going to be the same because this is the same device. All the cutouts there, your two microphones, your lanyards, your cutout microphone and speaker and charging port down there, your power button. The only thing you'll notice is different is the feel and hand of these cases, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. So last case is another clear case. I think this is going to be another one that you guys probably like. You'll probably enjoy this one as well. It's basically the clear case with no matte. I really like how they put these tabs. You actually can do it here. I'm just so used to doing it like this. I have no idea why. They have a quick pull right there. I do that every time. Like I'm so used to pulling from the bottom, but I do it like that. So look, check this out. This is the same case pretty much. It feels exactly the same. It's just that it's clear. That's the only difference. And depending on which color phone you have, you'll really enjoy this. It's beautiful. That's just a beautiful thing, man. Look at how beautiful that is. That is just beautiful. And again, if you're into not wearing a case and you prefer to have a clear case, I could definitely recommend Rinky. This feels the same as the clear outer boxes, and it costs what, 25% less. That's why I rock with Rinky cases, man, because they're affordable, they look good, they feel good, they're just good. Rinky's cases are good. So there it is, folks. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed the Rinky case lineup. This is a powerful lineup right here, and it's affordable. You can probably get all of these cases for the price of one case nowadays. The way they do cases these days, man, cases get really expensive. I suggest that you stay under a $20 limit if you can, and for one case. But you should be able to grab multiple cases nowadays with the way cases are produced by these manufacturers. They've cut the prices so much, and you're getting a better product for a case. And Rinky is known for that. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.